Are you struggling to choose between compound and isolation exercises? This decision could make or break your fitness journey. Understanding the difference between these exercises is crucial for planning effective workouts that align with your goals. Compound exercises engage multiple muscle groups across more than one joint, building strength through functional movements. Think of a back squat. It involves your ankles, knees, and hips, engaging numerous muscle groups to execute the lift. Why are compound exercises so important? They help build strength, mobility, and stability across a wide range of real-life movements. Imagine lifting heavy boxes off the floor with ease, thanks to the strength you've built from deadlifts. Or reaching for heavy objects on a high shelf, made possible by developing strong overhead strength through pressing movements. Compound exercises are time-efficient, improve coordination, flexibility, and mobility, and promote muscle growth while burning more calories. But how many compound exercises should you include in your workout? Start with 1 to 2 as a beginner, and increase as your body adapts. Some of the best compound exercises include deadlifts, back squats, front squats, bench presses, and push presses. However, compound exercises aren't perfect. If you want to target and grow a specific muscle, they might not be enough. That's where isolation exercises come in. They isolate a particular muscle, improving imbalances and accelerating hypertrophy. Take the hamstring curl, for example. It focuses solely on the hamstrings, allowing for a more targeted approach. Isolation exercises are great for hypertrophy-specific training, targeting individual muscle groups, and recovering from injury. By focusing all the load on one muscle group, you can increase and measure total training volume effectively. Want bigger quads? While squats involve multiple muscles, leg extensions place more emphasis on your quadriceps. But remember, hit some compound exercises first before moving on to isolation exercises for the best results. Popular isolation exercises include prone hamstring curls, seated leg extensions, lateral shoulder raises, cable chest flies, and barbell bicep curls. However, isolation exercises use lower weights and build less overall strength compared to compound exercises. And in day-to-day life, movements rarely require just one muscle group, making compound exercises more functional. Ultimately, both compound and isolation exercises have their place in your routine. Consider your goals and decide which is most effective for you.